Some rats are gonna die today.
Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This one is sweet and spicy pork burnt ends. It was meant to be up a while ago, but my apprentice who you'll meet in this video ate my laptop charger. Like and subscribe, let's get into it. Let's get you started.
Let there be 1,000 blossoms bloom as far as I'm concerned.
So to start off, we're going to prepare our pork. I've got a couple of strips of pork belly here. I'm going to take the outer rind off and then dice them up into little bite-sized pieces. We'll get the kettle ready. There's the apprentice, as you can see.
His name's Waters.
You're fucked up, you
He's
mate.
an asshole.
For the dry rub, we're going to use half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of 5 spice, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. Just pop your coals into the kettle now and make sure that your kettle gets hot. Season your pork lightly with some salt and let it stand for a little bit and it'll get some juices coming out of it. Then add your dry rub mix.
Ew!
Popped on a block of cherry wood to get a bit smoke through these as well. Then we're gonna lay our bites on a little resting tray, pop them on, leave them for about an hour to an hour and a half. Once you've left them for a while, you can spray them down with a solution of half vinegar and half water, just to make sure that they're staying moist. And once they're finally done after around 2 hours, pop them in a tray. They'll be a mahogany colour.
Smashing.
And we're going to add butter and sweet chili sauce. Don't need any brown sugar on this one.
I'm sweet enough.
And pop them back in the kettle for another 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make a little chopped salad. So some spring onions, bunch of frisee, some edamame. I'm going to mix that over with some Asian salad dressing. And I'm going to finish it off with some crispy shallots and some fried noodles.
Try to be all fancy.
Take your bites out, serve them up. I'm serving them some rice. Pop some fresh chili over the top. That's obviously just going to be for me, as Ella's not that keen.
Because she does not like it.
And you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching everyone. Let me know what you think and I'll see you in the next one.
Get in the turkey!